Alrighty, Genesis GV80. Now, thankfully, customer had this sticker. So you see here 95440T6014. That's the part number for this key fob, right? Customer originally bought a key, but it's complete wrong key. So we come over here, fits part number, PN, part number 95440T6014. Buttons match exactly as well. We know it's good to go. So we're going to use the Autel for this guy. We're going to need to purchase a third-party pin. Probably we'll try to pull the pin, but it's like I'm pretty sure last time I've done this I had to buy the pin, so we'll figure it out right now. Let's see what's going on. GV80. Now, I've been in this car before. It is a beautiful car. Check this. That's strapped in. Okay, that's strapped in. I won't move that, but look at this. Smells brand new in here too. Smells nice. Oh, look at that. Look at the color. What a scheme. And that, the orange ambient. They done well with this car. I'll give them that. Alright, so transponder type ID 47. So I'll tell you what, right? This doesn't have. I've definitely done a GV80 before, so we're gonna try going a GV90. Let's see if we can read the ammo. Turn on the car. Alright, I was able to open the status. It's a 47 smart card. We're gonna try and read it by OBD. Turn the hazard lights on. Turn ignition off. Open. Close door. Make sure everything is black. Alright, other than the hazards, okay. Now this might take a minute if this is successful. Let's see. Let's figure it out right now. Let's see what happens. This model is not supported, kind of as expected. We tried, right? So what we're gonna have to do is, oh, you know what? Calculate password with OEM key. Shall we? Shall we try it with, without, with AB12? Let's try it. Let's see what happens. It wants me to grab the AB12. With AB12, we need the XP200. Okay. We need XP400 and analog key. This is honestly going to be my first time trying this. I'll tell you what I do need. Okay, you know what, let's try to grab the XP200. Because then I can have both of those plugged in at the same time. AB112. MX200. Please connect analog key with USB. So first we're gonna do with this. AB12. Remove the battery from the OEM key and place the key close to the sensing area, or insert the key into the key slot. Remove battery. So I remove those two little screws for this cap, which set like that. Alright, set like that. Alright, remove battery. Remove the battery from the OEM key and place the key close to the sensing area. Alright, insert the key. Alright, so the sensing area. Alright, so I've got them two close to each other. Try to adjust the distance between the smart key and emulator of the ignition switch. Remove the emulator key. Then connect the programmer and place the OEM key in the key slot. OEM key into the key slot. Okay. Checking network, phone is right there. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if this is gonna work either, but we're just trying, right? I think the pin code's like $50 or something. Something like that. It's a bit of a tear down there. Reading pin code failure. Yup, didn't work. Alrighty, let's got my code. $55. I took out customer's VIN and key card just out of privacy, but here we go. Got my pin code 176576. Right, so let's go to add key. Turn my AC off. Function supports add key, perform key. So we're gonna have to add all the keys in. All of the keys in. Close the ignition off. Open and close the door drive at once. And these cars are very sensitive, right? Okay. Check in work. You have to do everything exactly. Alright. 176 576 176 560 576. Fat fingers. 176 576. Okay, you get it wrong, you got 3 attempts to do it, and if not, the card locks up. So just make sure you do it right. Success. Confirm the. It is. Start button is the. After pressing OK, tap the start button with the key. OK. Immediately go like that. Program succeeded. Alright, do the same thing again. Program the next one. Press yes. You have to be quick. Bop. Hold it down. Program succeeded. No more keys to be added. We're good right there. Program 2 keys successful. The only 2 keys in the system now, so. Of course, customer's original key also works. Alright, let's go cut the key, and this is a bit of a different key as well, so I'll show you how to cut this key and we'll be job done over here. Done it under the GV90. There was no GV80, but it's okay.